Good morning, class. So in my previous video I told you about the different number systems, and in that video I will be telling you about conversion of numbers from one number system to another number system. So we are very familiar with the decimal number system, and we know the computer's language is understandable, machine language is binary language. So first we will learn how to convert a number from decimal to binary. So we are about to convert the number by from decimal to binary number system. So for that we will use repeated division method. So first we will study repeated division method, and afterward I will be discussing the another method, which is the referring the table of power of 2. So first we will learn about repeated division method. So before starting that repeated division method, we must know we are about to learn, convert a number from decimal to binary. So yesterday I told you that decimal has the base 10. Decimal has the base 10, and what is the base of binary? The base of binary is 2. So I told you yesterday that number system lies upon the bases. So how the question will look like? Question will look like, for example, we want to convert a number from decimal to binary. So it is 15 base 10. Base 10 means a number is written in decimal form. Equivalent base 2, and here is the question mark. Question mark says that find out the value. So 15 from base 10, if it is converted into base 2 means binary, then what will be the result? Okay, now what the repeated division method says? The repeated division method says that divide the given number, which is 15 here. So divide the given number by the base of the desired number system. Here it is binary, so the base is 2. So divide the given number by the base of the desired number system successively, and record all the remainders. Record all the remainders and assemble the remainders after the repeated division method gives 0. Then the last remainder will be the MSB. Last remainder will be MSB, and up to the first remainder we will arrange, and the first remainder will be the LSB. So let's convert the number. Okay, so I have written 15 here. So 15 will be divided by 2. So 2 sevens are 14. Here 14. Here 2 sevens are 14. So 15 minus 14, and remainder is 1. Now next question I have got is 7. So divide 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 is the remainder. Again, so 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1 is remainder, and here it is 1. 1 is already smaller than 2, but 2 zeros are 0, and remainder is 1, and now it is 0. We will not do the further division, so we will stop it right here when we will get 0 at the last. And I told that last digit, last remainder will be the MSB. So it is MSB and it is LSB. So now it will give in that direction, it will give 1 1 1 1. So I can write here 1 1 1 1 base 2. So it is the answer. It is the answer. So it is very easy method. Simply divide the number by 2. You must remember the table of 2. So again 15. When we are about to divide 15, so 2 7s are 14. 14 is just less than 15. So 2 7s are 15. 14. 15 minus 14, 1 is the remainder. Again we will divide 7. Again we will divide 3. Again we will divide 1. Then we are getting 1 1 1 1. All the numbers from down to up direction, MSB to LSB, will lead to the number where 1 1 1 1 I have got. So I can write the binary equivalent of 15 decimal is 1111 base 2, hence the method and answer. So now using that method you practice some of the numbers by your own. Okay, next I will be telling you how to divide or how to calculate a binary equivalent of a decimal number by using the second method, which is referring the table of power of 2. Okay, for that video, today's video, this much only. Okay, practice some of the number by your own, and in homework I am also giving you some questions. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.